Mbukeli siyaqhubeka ke nokushelela nje nohlelo lwakho Ekhaya Jikelele. Sasingena ke ehoreni lethu lesibili njengamanje. Njengoba bengishilo ke eqaleni ukuthi Mbukeli sine motivational factor ke namhlanje zilele amahashi agijimile. Ihe wembukeli kunomunye uguy ke othe yazi uma unentombi othi mawunayo ihleke usuku unenhlanhla nsizwa ibambisise leyo ntombi ngoba phela hayi laba abahleki ngaphandle kokukhonjiswa imali. Nawe khona usuhleka musibonela
hayi anytime
basukelelani kodwa uthasihleka masibona imali vele imali yahlekisa ayihlekisi yini ngathi ungajabula ngeke uhlala ungajabuli kukhona imali.
Ngoku ke ngisingena kuyire yesibini yenqubo soqhubela ke phambili kwaye siphinde sinikrobise kokuthe kwenzeka kaloku iyire edlulileyo oquka umba usematheni kokusungula kweqela elitsha lezopolitiko ngulowo ke wayisakuba kunobhala Jikelele wombutho oqhuzula imikhala ANC. Phelelanga apho ke kuvimba wethu uyaphuphumba hlala uthi ncu kwesositulo amehlo uwathi ntsho indlebe zona zithi ntanga lixa umamele inkqubo yakho oyithanda kunene Ekhaya Jikelele isendimlo ke unonkanyezi kalubisi masitshaye qhuma.
Mbukeli asibheke ehamba phambili ke kuleli hora.
Because we are about African nationalism.
Lawa owayinobhala Jikelele we-ANC uSmahashule usesungule iqembu lakhe elisha lezombusazwe libizwa nge-African Congress of Transformation.
Eyatholakala kwindawo yesigameko inhlamvu eyayiphuma kulesi sibambu lesi esiphambi kwenkantolo.
Ingaphephe uLieutenant Colonel Christian Mangena uthi imbumbulu efunyenwe kwindawo yolwaphulo mthetho apho kwadutyulwa khona owayesakuba ngunozinti webafana uSenzo Meyiwa yadutyulwa kumpu ofunyenwe kwikhaya lomnye wabamangalelwa.
Sekuqubuke umlilo kwashona abantu abacela emashumi enkabeni yedolobha igoli lomlilo ke Mbukeli kubikwa ukuthi uqubuke izolo ebusuku.
Sanibonani babukeli, I go by the name Kelo. Ngicela ngiqhubeke nibheke Ekhaya Jikelele as they bring you sports, entertainment and news from Monday to Friday. Sibonga, danko.
Lawo owayinobhala Jikelele we-ANC uSmahashule owaxoshwe eqenjini umemezele ukubunjwa kweqembu lakhe lezombusazwe elibizwa nge-African Congress of Transformation. Lokuza ke emva kokuthi kwehlukana inhloko nesixhanti phakathi kwakhe ne-African National Congress ngenxa yokungayiphathi kahle kanye nokuyithathela izinqumo eqenjini. uMahashule ke uthi izakhamuzi zakuleli zidinga elinye ikhaya lezombusazwe.
Ngesikhathi uSmahashule ekhonjwa indlela eqenjini elibusayo abaningi babecabanga ukuthi sekushabalele njalo ngekusasa lakhe kwezombusazwe. Kwaziseke ukuhlehla kwenqama akusikhona ukubaleka. uMahashule ke usephinde waba undaba egudwini kulandela ukubunjwa kweqembu lakhe elisha lezombusazwe.
So here we are. Here is a new ship of freedom. Please, South Africans, come along and join us, all those who are weary and politically abused.
uMahashule owakuba undunankulu wase-Free State wethule ngokusemthethweni leli qembu iSoweto. Lokhu kwenzeka nje iningi beliqagula ukuthi angase ajoyine elinye iqembu lezombusazwe.
We will work with all progressive, not the ANC of certain leaders who are actually captured. We'll work with the ANC which is not captured. And I hope that ANC is coming soon.
Yize iningi lamaqabane akhe lingaziwa kepha bakhona abanohlonze okubalwa kubo oyinhloko yophiko lwama-Hawks uJenene Benning Ntlemeza.
I was sitting looking after my sheep at home. I saw, no. There's a problem in South Africa. How can an old man like President Jacob Zuma going to court, going to prison, to all those things?
Kulindeleke ukuthi leqembu lisingathe inqungquthela yalo yokuqoka ubuholi ngomfumfu nalapho kubhekwe ukuthi uMahashule aqhubeke nokuba ngumongameli we-ACT. Kusenjalo lo mholi ubhekene namacala enkohlakalo ahlobene nophahla lwe-asbestos e-Free State nokulindeleke ukuthi liqulwe ngonyaka ozayo emasontweni ambalwa nje ngaphambi kokuthi kube nokhetho lukazwelonke. Abantu baseNingizimu Afrika bazozikhethela ke ukuthi yini abayifunayo njengoba kuza u2024 ikakhulukazi njengoba amaqembu ezepolitiki eqhubeka nokuba maningi. Kodwa umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi ngabe bazolandela laba basha yini na kumbe bazoqhubeka namaqembu abawaziyo. Umzondile Mbejo, SABC, eSoweto.
Asikathatyathwa isigqibo malunga nesicelo sowayekisa ukuba ngumongameli uJacob Zuma sokuba aphinda aqalasele sisigqibo esithintela ukutshutshiswa kukamongameli uCyril Ramaphosa bucala.
This is not something that should be done lightly to deny someone the right to private prosecution because it's a denial of a Section 34 right. But the bigger point for now is that it must be done in the criminal court.
You're dealing with a private prosecution which has been demonstrated to be non-compliant with binding statutory requirements. And what this court did was, having quoted the judgment, it then addressed each of the interests that it found to be implicated at paragraph 55, 56, and 57. The first, at paragraph 55, it says, on the present facts which are common cause, the interest or potential interest that is affected by the impugned private prosecution relate to Mr. Ramaphosa both as an individual person occupying the office of the president and in his official capacity as the president.
Kulindeleke ukuthi abiyele ebhoksini uLieutenant Colonel Chris Mangena uma kuqhubeka icala lokubulala uSenzo Meyi wenkantolo enkulu yasePitoli namuhla ekuseni. UMangena utshele inkantolo izolo ukuthi inhlamvu eyabulala uMeyi wayayiqhamuka esibhamini esatholakala kumsola wesithathu uMthobisi Mncube. Abasola abahlanu ke babhekene necala lokubulala uSenzo Meyi wango-2014.
Usodolophu waseTshwane uSilius Brink uthi imanyano yabasebenzi isamu iza kuba noxanduva lokutshabalalisa isixeko esilikomkhulu ngenxa yoqhankqalazo lwemivuzo oluthe lwajika lwanobundlobongela. Ebethetha nonondaba ePitoli ngoqhankqalazo oluqale kwinyanga ephelileyo ngenxa yesigqibo sesixeko sokunganyusi imivuzo kule nyaka mali. I-Passenger Rail Agency of South Africa ithi sebebuyele esimeni sokusebenza kahle ojantshi besitimela abayisishiyagalombili eWestern Cape. IPrasa inethemba ke lokuthi izovuselela abanye ojantshi beyitimela abahlanu esifundazweni kulonyaka. Ngaphambi kokuba uphume ebukela iqiniseka into yokubana urhabule ufince kuqikelelo lwemozulu.
sparkly besties. Thank you so much, Hannes, for coming. That's us, not you.
Z, that's not nice. Stop it.
Just focus over here. Over here. This is serious business.
Amanina enza umsebenzi omhle noncomekayo kwicandelo leze film. Umdlalo ke we-YouTube othi The Girls Trip, Moments to Melt To. Uqinisa ke ubuhlobo phakathi kwamanina. Lo mdlalo ke mbukeli ulawulwa nguye uNelisiwe Mwase odume kakhulu ngevidiyo zakhe ezihlekisayo zika-YouTube. Sinaye kuZoom namhlanje ukusichazela banzi ngomsebenzi wakhe. Nelisiwe, masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni Ekhaya Jikelele. Hi Nelisiwe, uyandiva? Kuyabonakala mbukeli ngathi nje asivani kodwa ke ndiqinisekile into yokubana uyasibona pha ku YouTube. Nelisiwe, ungasi-unmutela nje sikwazi ukuva kakuhle?
Sengi-unmutile, niyakwazi ukungiva?
Yes, kuva kakuhle. Happy Women's Month. Siyiqola ngawe le nyanga yamanina. Unjani?
Ngiyaphila, ngiyabonga, nivala ngami. Wow.
Yes, you are the girl that you think you are. Ngaphambi kokuba nje sithethe banzi ngomsebenzi wakho, siyakubona pha kumakhasi onxibelelwano wo-YouTube. Usenza into odume ngazo. Khawusiqalele ngubani uNelisiwe?
uNelisiwe usisi nje uyazi owenza izinto eziningi. Ngingumbhali, ngiya-actor, ngenza ama-video nje wamahlaya. Yo, yazi ziningi izinto engizenza kodwa lezi engidume ngazo ku-YouTube ama-video wamahlaya, ukubhala amafilimu, short stories, konke nje when it comes to filmmaking. Nginguye loyo sisi loyo. Within that role ye-filmmaking kunama-role amaningi akhona ngaphakathi. Bese kunambalwa-ke bese mina ngizithathela wona ngoba ngiyawathanda impela.
Wow, hey kuningi left right and center kuyahapenisha. Yes. Uqulunqa ivideo pha ku YouTube ndithe xa ndikubona ndazibuza ukuba ingaba uveza uNelisiwe kwezi video okanye mhlawumbe uya actor uohlikile kwindlela wena isentsho ungasinabisela ngalonto.
Yazi kunama na umuntu oyithayo ngayibekisa kanje ukuthi kune 20% buwena ne80% ibhaliwe. So ukuze ukwazi ukwenza le 80% ebhaliwe ku script uboleka mhlawumbe 20% of buwena ukuze lo muntu lo omdlalayo on screen umuntu akhona ubukela nakayibhekile akukholwe. Mina nje ngivela escreenini 20% uNelisiwe wangempela, 80% ngumama Nelsi, 80% ngiyomunye usise engazange ngihlangane naye kodwa ngimazi ngezitori or izinto ezenziwa abanye abosisi la ngaphandle ngifunde kubo ngeimpilo zabo and then ngithathe le imfundo lezo ngizifake kimi bese ngiyazithatha ngizenza zibe umunye umuntu ombona ku screen. Okuncane lokho okunye mhlawumbe engakutholisisi kahle or engarelate kuko ngivele ngithathe u20% wami ubumina ngifake lapho ukuze nani emakhaya ningibukele nikwazi ukungikhola ukuthi lo sisi vele is real.
I love it for the you. Siyasakubona phana uyingxenye yefilm ethi The Girls Trip. Ingaba mhlambe usixelele ngayo kwaye indima oyidlalayo inegalelo elingakanani eqinisekiseni kaloku into kubana kukho ubudlelwane phakathi kwamanina.
I-Girls Trip, i-campaign ebizwa #moments to melt into. Any moments to melt into amathuba esinawo njengabosisi abomama abazali bese kube nemzuzwane khona empilweni lana sima khona sithi yo kwaze kwamnandi empilweni noma sima khona sithi yo kwaze kwanzima empilweni. Wonke lama moments ekutheni singajahi ukuvula kuwo ngokusheshsha sime kancane sibheke sithathe zonke imfundo esingakhona lawo moments siwafake empilweni zethu siqhubeke sibe abantu abangcono. So i-Girls Trip i-story esibhalile for i-moments to melt, i-moments to melt into, where sibona abosisi about 7, 6 abangani for iminyaka bese kunalowo 7 womngani we-best friend engamazi wonke nawo lo mngani loyo onomngani omunye ebangabhayelanga ku-circle bese uyamsondeza kule circle yenu yabangani enjwayelene kakhulu ayibahlaleli kahle so ngoba babona ngathi umuntu esingamazi wayisifake emntwini ongamazi. So sivele sathatha zonke le story lezi abantu besimame all over the world abakhe ba experience kona Sazifaka kule story lesi sathi ake sifocuseni kubomama kubosisi for the month of August, i-Women's Month. Ke se celebrate ubuhle bethu. Ke se celebrate ama relationships ethu. Ke sime kancane sikhulume ngezinto ezisisusa ubuhlungu, izinto ezidisappointayo, into ezingahambi kahle empilweni. Bese naso kufika egcineni. Naso kumnandi. Kube mnandi ngempela. So singakhali kakhulu. Nasiqeda ukukhala masijabuleni kakhulu futhi. So #moments to melt into i-campaign ebhekene nabo konke lokho ba-celebrate umfazi as a whole.
Wow, mhle kakhulu umsebenzi enwenzayo kuba nyani siphila kwixesha apho sibona into yokubana amanina ayathanda ukunyansana. So I mean lo mboniso okanye lo msebenzi wenzayo uyangqina ngenene into yokubana xa sisonke sibumbene singamanina singaya kude. Enelisiwe ndiyathanda into yokubana nje sibuyele emva the time wawuqala mhlambe ivideo yakho yokuqala usithi uyayiposta pha ku YouTube. I mean uyasikhumbula isizathu sakwenza into yobana jonga mandishicilele kwaye ndibe yi-YouTuber eseliphumelele namhlanje.
Ngiyasikhumbula isizathu sami. Ivideo eqale ngayikhipha mina, ivideo lana bengizama ukubonisa umphakathi ukuthi mina sikhathi ngifundiswa ngabafana. Ngifundiswa nge-teenage pregnancy, ngifundiswa zonke lento lezo. Abazali bamazanke babe nendlela ethambile or soft ukungitshela ngazo. Babe bangithusela bathi hlukana abafana. Mina nginga-understand, ngingaqonda ukuthi yini wrong ngabafana. Manje ngasuke ke mina ngenza ivideo ngathi eke ngibonisa abantu ukuthi mina ngafunda kanjani story of the birds and the bees. And then yasuka lapho ya blow up. Nakhona okunye mina ngumuntu ofundile ngaye esikoleni ngaqeda isikole ngaphuma ne-BA degree in motion picture. Phela ngaphinde ngaba umama ebuncaneni bami bengina 22 ngiba ne-first born yami. Ngaba unkosikazi very quickly after that. Nangihlele endlini sengenza ama roles wami ukuba umama ngikhulisa abantwana ngibheke ikhaya lethu mina nomyeni wami. Kwakuba benginganeliseki emoyeni wami, kwakungekho enough ngoba bengizazi ukuthi abazali bami bazikhandlile ngamandla ukuthi bangimikise esikoleni, abazali bami bangifisela okuhle. Ubaba wami wangikhuthaza wathi ngibe umfazi okwazi ukuzimela empilweni ngoba ziningi izinto ezingenzeka emfazini nakakhula ekukhuleni kwakhe nasemshadweni. So azange ubaba angifundisa ukubheka impilo ngeso le disappointment or expected disappointment. Azange athi mhlawumbe umyeni wakhe angeke athembakala, azange akhuluma into ezinjalo kimi. Wangifundisa ukuthi nawe umfazi kumele ufunde ukuzimela nawe ngoba impilo iza nezivunguvugu eziningi. So manje nganginganelisekanga ekuhlaleni kwami emzini wami ngibe umama kuphela endlini ngikhulisa abantwana. Ngase ngaqala ngathi no but ngombhali iYouTube yangisiza ke ekutheni nangikhona ukubhala into zami ngikwazi ukuzishuda ngikwazi ukuzishare nomhlaba. Azange ngidinga ukulinda omunye umuntu ukuthi afike angenzela ngivulele lo mnyango bese umnyango khona uvulekile kithi sonke. Mina nje ngaphakama ngathatha lelo thuba ngathi yes, let me bet on myself. Ngasuke ngahamba ke ngenza lama video la ngashare ngingazi ukuthi kuzoba into enkulu kangaka, ngingazi ukuthi abantu bazoyithanda kangaka. Namhlanje abantu la ngena khona bayangibabaza. Mina ngibona ngathi umsebenzi, ngibona ngathi nginike voice ukuthi ngikwazi ukukhuluma nabantu ngezinto ezihlukile empilweni, kodwa fobona bayabuya bangitshela ukuthi ngalama video wakho wasindisa impilo yami, ngalama video wakho ngahlukana nama drugs, ngalama video wakho yazi bengisuicidal, ngahleka kancane ngakhohlwa ngeinkinga zami, impilo yakubeka. So ngabona ukuthi it's not just about ukuhlekisa abantu, lo msebenzi lo siwenza omkhulu wenza umehluko emkhulu empilweni zabantu. So ngina 7 years soloko ngayicala lendlela and 7 years going strong.
7 years going strong. Through it all, you remain rooted and grounded. Siyayithanda lonto ngawe. And I mean, ndiyayithanda kakhulu nalento ikhankanyileyo yokuba jonga. I mean, uqala mhlawumbe abantu bayakuthanda ivideo zakho. Kusho ukuthi nje unguvela behleka. Siyakhalela kokona ukuyazi ukuba xa ujonga kuba uye watsho ngaphambili into yokubana i-character yakho as an actress it's not ayonto enzima into yokubana uyiphule off, but mhlambe xa ujongile ungathi mhlambe zikhona izinto obonayo ukuba azohlukanga kakhulu kubuwena xa ujonga le character yakho ujonge noNelisiwe. What are the similarities?
I-character yami uNelisiwe moments to melt into nobumina uNelisiwe umuntu enginguye ama similarities Mina, I love relationships. I love human connections as a person. And then uNelsiwe in the campaign naye uyawathanda ama human connections. Uyabathanda abangani bakhe, uyabanakekela, uyambona nje ukuthi role yakhe kule campaign umuntu ocheckayo bangani bami ni right, bangani bami nihlanganisile, nilungisile ukuthi siyahamba, nikhulumile nabaphathi benu, nenze konke, you know, yena ngapha at the back uyasogola kahle ngabe umuntu ongayi kule trip ngoba kanayo imali ukuya kule trip, but for her okubalekile is sisterhood yabo, nokuthi bakha ubudlelwano obusha, babu maintain ubudlelwano obuhle, babu maintain at all costs for her. So mina naye in that regard siyafana, siyathanda ukubona bosisi bethu around us bathokozile, you know, and it's very important to us. We weigh it. It's not just about the money. For the both of us, it's not just about the money. It's about the relationship we are building, and we want something that is solid as Zoma for a very long time. So it was tanda logo, so it was tanda loyal. Loyal, so itu asithanda ukuhlangahlanganisa isekeli yethu manje seyimani hlangane kunabantu bangaziyo, si very loyal, so we are able to stick to the same group of friends for many years to come. So yiloko kufanayo phakathi kwami noNelisiwe ku moments to #moments to melt into noNelisiwe Mwase.
Wow, amazing. Ngesi bayathi into yokubana a winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Ndiqinisekile njengokuba siqhwabela izandla namhlanje ngomsebenzi omhle othe wawenza. Akhona amaxesha mhlawumbe nawe othi hey, when you look back you reflect on your journey. Qonda bajonga yayikhona imicelimngeni, zazikhona challenges oye wajongana nazo ngelixa usebenza kwelicandelo lefilm. Ingakumbi ungowasetyhini, khawusinabisele ngalonto.
Ama challenges maningi. Yo, ngikhumbula, you know, and I think abo mama abaningi nabo sisi abanendawo zabo babodwa zokuhlala, they can relate to this. Mina for many years ngiyu Mama Nelsi. Abantu bazi i-character ka Mama Nelsi ku YouTube as umuntu ogcoka impahla eyodwa. Year in year out, every day 24/7 impahla eyodwa. And then abantu bajwayela ukuthi no, ne setting around uMama Nelsi iyafana. The couches, the house, abantu baba committed to the couches and the house and the look of the whole thing. But mina personally, nase kushwa ama camera, mina bese ngifisa okunye, ngifisa amasofa amasha, ngifisa color paint entsha, ngifisa konke lokho. And bengamane ngikhona ukwenza i-change that very quickly nje ngoba kufuna mina. Bekumele ngicabangela ababukeli bami, abantu abaqale nami kwasekuqaleni. Before ngichintsha i-surroundings for the character. So kwathatha isikhashana, bekumele ngithathe i-break kulokho ukuze abantu bajwayele, and nabo kubenza ba-understand ukuthi bakwethu siyakhula, ama-taste wethu ayatshintsha, angeke ngihlale ngilo Mama Nelsi dobe nimazi kwasekuqaleni, you know, i-challenge eyi-1 leyo. I-challenge enye yesibili ukuthi abalandeli ama-subscribers esinawo, kakhulukazi laba abasilandele kwasekuqaleni very early on, bahambe nathi le ndlela ede yonke leminyaka. So nabo nabahamba nathi indlela yonke leminyaka, i-taste yabo for izinto abazibukela nayo iyashintsha. So angikhona ukumane ngifike ngenze i-comedy lengayenza eqaleni. Nangiyenza eqaleni kufika umuntu omusha, yebo yena uyayithokozela le comedy entsha efikile enestyle sasekuqaleni. Yes, because emsesemusha ku channel. Kodwa lokudala bekakhona sekayijwayele, uba ufila ngathi uzuzwa ngathi sekayibone kaningi. So manje fanele ngiyazi-challenge la ukuthi mangihlale ngenza sure ukuthi khona ukukhula okubonakalayo ku screen for the viewer who was dedicated to the channel from the beginning right up to this time. So i-channel mayikhula ikhula kanye nababukeli bayo. So in that sense, now ubheke ukukhula kwe-channel, ubheke ukuthi nawe fanele uthathe lokho nako okuncane esikhwameni uinveste kuleyo channel. So it was not just ekutheni into yi-hobby kumnandi kuyenziwa ngoba kulula, kuqale kwabakuncane kwakhula kwabakhulu, yabo. The more kuba kukhulu, the more it requires of you. Ifuna okuningi esikhwameni, ifuna isikhathi sakho esiningi, idinga ukuthi upgrade equality yakho. Abantu abalandeli bomsebenzi wakho bakwazi ukubona nabavula ivideo yokuqala ukuthi yo sisuka la, bese bavula ivideo yakho yamanje bathi yo sesifike la, sikhulile, siyakhula. Nale brand le ukubukela kwethu kwalama video kule channel ikhulisa nale company eyenza lo msebenzi omuhle kangaka. So ivele i-develop yona siswami is igcine sekuyibusiness kungasese i-hobby kuphela. Yeah, so those are the challenges I needed to adjust my mind to.
Amazing work, and ndiyayithanda nengendlela othe wasebenzisa your challenges as your stepping stone to this success esibonayo namhlanje. Ndiqinisekile into yokubana as you have successfully grown your brand, kunamantombazana asakhulayo ajonge kuwo athi nawo mhlawumbe ayarhalela uba nabo bakweli candelo lezefilimu. Ungathini nje amazwi okukhuthaza kubo?
Amazwi okukhuthaza wonke umuntu kakhulukazi abantu besimame in this field of filmmaking is YouTube is a wonderful platform la ungakhona ukupractice khona iskills zakho. Abaningi bahlala ekutheni kunzima ukuqala, bahlala at the beginning bese uya overthinker bese uya overplanner bese akaqala, bese kuphela 5 years lokho yena usazoqala, lokho yena uba distracted. Ayikho into ekulungele enhle eza ngobulula. Yonke into oyizuzayo empilweni iza ngomsebenzi, ngokuzimisela, ngokuzikhandla. U-understand na ukuthi ufuna ukuzuza ngempilo yakho. So ala kanjalo. Uqala ngalokho kunakho. Wonke umuntu mangithi abantu abaningi sebanawo ama-smartphone. Ama-smartphone wamanje ashoot quality high ye video. Ama-smartphone wamanje ayakhona ukuthi ukhona ungena kuma-app stores udownload i-edit software. Now ukwazi ukuba ne-access to ama-resources anje, ifone, i-software, uyakhona, uyakwazi. Ayikho into emendleleni kwakho, ayikho into emephakathi kwakho nempumelelo yakho. So wena kumele uthathe lokho nakho uqale ngalokho nakho. Masoceda uqala ngalokho nakho ubona ukuthi sekungena amasentshana ngoba the more ukhula kule platform ye YouTube iyaphinde ibuye ikunika amasentshana ngoba kunama AdSense uba i-YouTube partner. Naso ufikile lapho bayakubhadala kancane for i-content leyo wena oyenzayo oyikhiphayo ku YouTube. Thatha leyo mali leyo ubheke ukuthi impilo yakho ime kanjani, uqala improve impilo yakho ngaleyo mali oyitholayo. The more you make content, the more revenue you make. It's a very simple business setup, but izodinga wena ukuthi uvuke, uzimisele, show up for yourself, show up for isasa lakho. Akhona ama-opportunities are available to generation yethu yamanje. It is irresponsible for us not to fully utilize the access that we have to it. So the only person standing in your way in this regard is you. So mina akukhuthaza iloko ukuthi phakama, start now, don't overthink. You will fix the other things later as you are creating. But once you fix them as you are creating, you will get better at what you do. Once you get better, there's a new thing to fix. So you will forever stay learning. And being in a mental space where you stay learning, it gives you the opportunity to reach new heights, new dreams, new opportunities every time. So ungazivaleli, vula ingqondo and just do it.
Just do it. Ndiyayithanda kakhulu lento etsho into yokubana the only person standing in your way is yourself. Into ethi ke inina elimameleyo, the only prisoner is your own mind. Thank you so much Nelisiwe ngokuba wabelena nathi. You are truly an inspiration. Kwaye ke mhle umsebenzi owenzayo tinga ntakandini awuzunqanda nazinkwenkwezi. Get that bag, get that money. Sikujongile. Enkosi kakhulu ngexesha lakho.
Thank you for having me, and thank you to my team. Ubenz, Bridget, Uluazuku, even Ukoita. Thank you guys so much for holding up this team for the nation. And thank you to every subscriber and every person who's not even a subscriber for watching all this content that we put out. We do it because we love it, but more so, we love how it makes you feel. So thank you so much.
Subscribe nala ku Ekhaya ubabize phela.
Yebo, subscribe bani.
Ekhaya batshela ukuthi subscribe to Ekhaya siyabafuna.
Subscribe to Ekhaya. Come on.
Yes. Right, mbukeli wami lo ke besincokola naye nguye uNelisiwe Mwase, ongumvelisi wefilm kunye nomdlali weqonga esixelela banzi ngomsebenzi wakhe. Uyaqonda ukhumbule kaloko mbukeli into yokubana sibhiyozela inyama inyanga yamanina. Siyayiqola siyayiqonqoza namhlanje kodwa ke sibothulela amanqwazi onke amanina sithethe kaloku ngeentsika zamakhaya ezenza umsebenzi omhle omwimula kunje. Kanti ngoku masithi qho evenkileni qiniseka uyindawo bukele Ekhaya Jikelele.
Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli wekhaya Jikelele kanti ke mangabe ke singena kwezemidlalo siphinda njengamanje ke kunohlobo lwencindezelo olukhona ke mbukeli lolu hlobo ke lwencindezelo esibhekene nabo neqondwa umuntu osuke enebala elinsundu okungelula ukuthi omunye umuntu ayiqonde ikhona futhi ke neqondene nabantu besifazane okuyinzondo ebhekiswa kubo ngenxa yobulili kuphinde futhi kube khona eyokukhishwa inyumbazane ikakhulukazi ke evame ukuba ijoka kulabo abaphila nokukhubazeka sonke ke asikhethelanga ukuba sizalwe sibe nsundu sibe ngabesifazane abaphila nokukhubazeka umhlaba ke ukuphatheleni ke futhi ukuphatha kanjani uma ngabe uwesifazane ebale nsundu ophila futhi nokukhubazeka umuntu ke oqonda kangcono uHothatso uKG Montshane oyisihlabani ke ebholeni lomphebezo kwabahamba ngezihlalo ezinamasondo lesi silomo sabangwesifazane oqale eAfrika ukunqoba isicoco seGrand Slam eRoland Garros waphinde futhi waba uwokuqala wesimame eAfrika ukubamba iqhaza emqhudelanweni weWimbledon ngonyaka 1980 wenze ibukwayo ebuya nesicoco seFrench Open mbukeli ke kulolu hlelo asilale endleleni sesaba amazolo sixhumana naye ke uKG manje ngocingo uxoxa kabanzi ngomsebenzi wakhe KG Hothatso sikubingelele ohlelweni usibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho nokuthube nathi namhlanje
Thanks for having me.
Kujabula thina KG uyazi ngokwazi ke ingqinamba eyibhekene nabesifazane kwezemidlalo abantu abantsundu nabaphila ngokukhubazeka umuntu uzibuza ukuthi wena wenze ngani ke ukuthi ufike kuleli zinga kulo
For me, because I've been playing sports since I was young, so when I was about to finish my studies, I was given an opportunity to try playing tennis full time. And since then, I had to try to navigate the sport, understand what I was doing, and with all the challenges that were coming through, I had to find a way to really get support. And I think that's just how it worked out for me, just to be able to hang in there and believe that things will work out. Yeah.
Hothatso ngiyakuza ukukhuluma ngendaba zesupport bambalwa phela besifazana abaphila nokukhubazeka abavelele ke kwezemidlalo ngabe yini ke engenziwa ukuze besekwe basupport njengobusho
I just think if you are talented, and you are putting in the work and you are getting results, when you're out there, when we get opportunities like this, when we talk to the media, we get to share our stories. These are the times and opportunities where people get to know who you are, and that's where you get to attract, the people who can support you. So it's just about putting yourself out there, sharing your story, sharing your journey, and that's how you will appeal to the people to be able to support you.
Hothatso ngiyazi ukuthi unominatiwe lapha kuma G Sports Awards ngabe mhlawumbe ungasitshela kabanzi ngalokho nanokuthi uqokelwe kuyiphi category nanokuthi ke mhlawumbe abafuna noba bafisa ukuthi bakuvotele ngabe ithini imininingwane yakhona
Yeah, I've been nominated in the G Sport Awards. Big up to G Sport for what they've been doing for women in sport in this country. This is like the biggest initiative that we have that really, create awareness in terms of, sports for women. So I've been nominated in 2 categories. I would like to think in the global women in sports, something like that, and women with disabilities. So those are the 2 categories that I've been nominated as. And obviously I would like to urge, my supporters fans to really keep voting for me. Because I guess for me, making a nomination and it's a big deal, being recognized like that. Just to be a finalist for me, it feels like it's enough. But it would be great to see people voting for me.
Njengoba usho ke uHothatso ukuthi kuyinto enkulu nje ukunominate kwakhona ungabe ngathi mhlawumbe ukuba khona kwalezi inhlobo zama awards kuququzela kanjani wena njenge athlete
Yeah, it's very important to be recognized, because it serves as a motivation for you, because it means others are watching what you're doing, and it means you might even be a role model if you have been recognized, someone is watching. So that really, motivates you to even keep working hard, because there might be the young ones that are watching you, so obviously you want to be a good role model. So awards like this are very important for motivation for us as athletes, because it's often that we work so hard, but it goes unnoticed. So it's really good.
Khuthatha sasiphetha nje mhlawumbe ungameluleka uthini omunye umdlali mhlawumbe naye ofana nawe ukuthi naye umgqugquzela ukuthi mhlawumbe angagive up nokuthi amaphupha ayafezeka.
Yeah, I mean, for me, I just always say that you need to remain hopeful, and as long as you are working hard, you need to just remember that dreams don't come through. They don't come true through magic, they come true through hard work. So you need to keep working hard, believing in yourself, and remain hopeful. That's when you are hopeful, obviously you are far from giving up when you have hope. So that's all I can say. Just keep believing in yourself and remain hopeful.
Oh, sibonge kakhulu ke Khuthatha ngesikhathi sakho. Sikufisele nenhlanhla nje engathi ungabuya nayo ke leyo ndondo kuma G Sports Awards.
Thank you so much.
Mbukeli lowo ke beku KG Khuthatha uyisihlabani ke somdlalo webhola lomphebezo esiphila nokukhubazeka eseyizakhele igama ebalazweni ke lomhlaba. Njengamanje mbukela siqunga seyitolo kodwa emva komzuzwana yithi lapha sobe sesila.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisibukele apha ekhaya jikelele kwinkqubo ndaba yakha oyithanda kunene EDTT. Imzansi iBallet yazinca ke ngokubhengeza umdlalo weGold of Rhino of Mapungubwe eBallet ngokubambisana neState Theatre ePitoli. iBallet ke ngumbiyozo nezinto ezininzi zembali kunye nelifa lemveli kwaye kulindeleke ukuba yenzeke ngoSeptember njengombhiyozo wenyanga yelifa. Kusixelela banzi ke siye sawuthetha nomdanisi weBallet uMahlatse Satshane. Mahlatse.
Hello, njani?
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Ingasinganibulisa ngombuliso weBallet, angazi. Nibulisana kanjani?
Awukho umbuliso weBallet. Umbuliso nje okhona umbuliso waziwa wonke abantu.
Oh, awukho odds.
Cha, awukho.
Thank you so much for joining us apha ekuseni.
Ngiyabulela ukuba lapha.
Khawusixelele ngokufutshane ngomdaniso weBallet waseMapungubwe. Umalunga nantoni kanye?
Lo mdanso weBallet waseMapungubwe indlela yokuba sikwazi ukubonisa abantu ukuba bokwenzekani eMapungubwe isikhathini sakudala. Kwangoku sizama ukuba sithathe yonke into beyenzakala khona apha eMapungubwe silethe stage ukuba bonke abantu bakwazi ukuyibona and abanye abantu bakwazi ukuba iBallet nayo yakwazi ukutshela abantu izitori ehlukene hayi izitori eziphuma lapha eshela nje kuphela.
Siyaphawula into yokubana iGolden Rhinoceros of Mapungubwe isymbolizer urhwebo, itrade nobutyebi, iwealth. Ungathi mhlawumbe igama elithi Gold Rhino lisuke phi?
Leli gama elithi Gold Rhino libuya khona bafumane ibhejana elenze ngogolide balikhipha lapha eMapungubwe balisaphi emuseum ukuba bonke abantu bakwazi ukubona and bakwazi ukuba leli golide leli alibuyi lapha kwezinye indawo libuya khona eMapungubwe. So kwalona lelo golide leli libonisa abantu ukuba eMapungubwe yona bokuyindawo eqwele ngokuthi ngathi i-rich too much indawo yakhona. Futhi bonke abantu bebakhona kuleso sikhathi bayakwazi ukuba benomnotho omningi.
Wow. And xa sijonga i-storyline that is expressed kuyo le ballet siyafumanisa into yokubana sixuba modern society and olden society. Bekutheni nje kubalulekile that you highlight that?
Into bebalulekile ukuba si-highlight kule dance lena ukuthi sikwazi ukubonisa abantu ukuba ngaleso sikhathi bokwenzakalani. Ngoba if you look at it from perspective ya manje kunezinto eziningi ezenzakalayo ehlukahlukene. So ukuba sakwazi ukuba si create a link between izinto zakudala nezinto zamanje sizokwazi ukusiza abantu ukuba sikwazi ukuthi sonke lesikhathi lesi impilo bephilwa kanjani and ukubonisa ukuthi manje siprogresse kanjani ukusuka esikhathini sakudala ukufika esikhathi samanje.
And inhle kakhulu because umuntu xa ezawuyazi imbali uzawuqiqa mhlambe aqonde ngekamva, which is the future. And we know that mhlambe niye nabane strategy ngendlela enenze ngayo njengoko nisithi into kubana nivumbulula izinto zasendulo nizibonise kulomboniso. And I mean, why was it important into kubana ni highlight umba we heritage? What is it that you are hoping to achieve? Umuntu mhlambe ozothi afike azinze abukele intoni lento enifuna ukuyibethelela kuyi?
Into esifuna ukuyibethelela ukuba lesi story esisenzayo seningizimu Afrika. Asibuyi kuAmerica, asibuyi kuChina, cha. Sibuya khona la eMzansi. So masiwe abantu sifuna ukubona ukuba nathi sakwazi ukubonisa izitori esibuya kithi. Hayi izitori ezitshela abanye abantu.
And kulo msebenzi wenzayo niqinisekile into kubana it's not easy uba ungavela uhlanganise. It does not happen overnight. I mean, through preparations yokuba uyenzeke ungathi mhlawumbe zeziphi imiceli mngeni okanye challenges othe wahlangabezana nazo.
Ukuze le ballet ikwazi ukwenzeka ithathe iminyaka emithathu ba ehlanganisiwe. Ngoba ayifuni nje kuphela imali, kumele uthole nabantu abazokwazi ukubonisa into ufuna ukuthi bayibonise stage. So sonke lesikhathi lesi bokwamele ukuthi ukwazi ukuzuza abantu, ukuheha nabanye abantu ukuthi bakwazi ukukusiza ukuvezekela lento ufuna ukuthi bayibone abantu e stage.
Wow, I cannot wait. Ndiyaqonda abantu bananza umenywa nami ne.
Sure. Nje mongaza ngeSeptember uzoyibona ibhallet yethu.
Ngeziphi dates?
Yokuqala nge-20 zaka September, ukugcina nge-1 zaka October.
Wonke umuntu wamkelekile mos.
Hey,
yabona kudala ndikulindile ndikujimele ndifuna ukubona mawusenzela ibhallet yakho Mahlatse. Ready?
Ndiready kuyenza.
Hayi ke mbukeli wami, njengoko besithetha naye ke ngoku uzawusibonisa umsebenzi omhle awenzayo kaloku njengoko engumdanisi webhallet. Kodwa ke andazi noba ke sizawuthi qhwu evenkileni simphe ixeshanyana okanye izongena ngoku, kodwa mbukeli masithi qhwu evenkileni, siyabuya ungayindawo.